What is up, T.O.Gs? So we've been dropping videos about the Atlas 3.0. This is the prime colorway, prime design. It's just all this gloss gray amazingness right here. But we've been dropping videos. We talked about the Shockwave. We've done an unboxing of the video. Today, what we're gonna do is show you how easy it is to replace the visor on the Atlas 3.0. They've gone through a few different iterations of the installation of the visor. What they finally landed on, what they had first, I believe, was actually you had to have a tool to unscrew this. But now what they've done now is this twist, and it's a one twist thing. So there's some sort of gasket or something in here that makes it so that when you pull this, you've just got to do one twist. It's not a screw. You can see it's got tabs here. Let me see if I can show you. There's the tabs on that. So this is going to be about as straightforward as a visor replacement as you can get. I know people will complain, and this is actually, you know, I don't disagree with this, that when you have tabs like this that you've got to pull out, that you're going to lose these. So if that's your gripe, I totally understand that. For me, I'm gonna, you know, when I changed my visor out, I'm not gonna be doing it constantly, and that's why I got the protectant pin lock insert. You can see the tabs here for pin lock. But that's the removal. This is real time. So there you go. That's one visor. That when you buy an Atlas 3.0, it comes with the smoke lens, and the clear lens is installed when you get it. But here's the smoke lens that it comes with, free of charge. Obviously the helmet is not free. So we're gonna put one side in. It goes up and down to start. And I'm gonna twist, give it a little twist there. And now that side is in. I'm gonna go to the other side. Line this up. Maybe let's do one click open. Yeah, that's kind of the sweet spot there. There you go. So it just takes a little bit of wiggling to find that, but it clicks right into place. You're going to have diagonal, and then you're going to give it a good turn to the left. Oh no, excuse me, turn to the right. Clockwise. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I should know that. Okay, and there you go. We've just replaced the visor on the Atlas 3.0. If you have an Atlas 3.0 and you have complaints or you know of any concerns that you might have, the nice thing about the Atlas visor is now it has 3 distinct positions for you to have this open. I know some people like to just have their visor open partially when they're at a stoplight instead of having it wide open, especially if it's cold. But lots of improvements made on the Atlas helmet. This iteration to me has been superior to others, and that's why we pulled the trigger on the Atlas 3. So that's how easy it is to put on the new visor here on the Atlas 3.0. If you have questions regarding the visor, about the helmet, we will have more videos rolling out regarding the Atlas 3.0. We're going to do a full review, and we're going to do a whole bunch of different things to really get into the nitty-gritty of this, what I think is the best looking helmet available for motorcycle riders. All right, guys, but that's all I got for you today. Again, if you have those questions, drop them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, you liked it all, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. It'll be here somewhere. Guys, if you're out there riding, please be safe. Be kind to one another. My name is Eric. I'm that one guy, and I am out.